What's up, everybody? This one's going out to Rugby again. 721. Hope you feel better, bro. Stay out the hosp. What I got here for you is some sparkling Welch's non-alcoholic juice cocktail. It's got 3 servings of 160, 38 milligrams of sugar per serving. I had to cut off the video because this fucking thing is stuck on there pretty good. Hope this bitch ain't expired. Nah, I got it from the store yesterday. Nice crack. Cheers to that. Let's do some burps. Get you healthy, buddy. Cheers. So there we go, dude. 750 milliliters, I believe. And yeah, of grape juice with no no vitamins. Anyways, bro, feel better, buddy, and cheers.